2 semesters down in my accelerated nursing program. Woo! Celebration!
This may come as some surprise, but I miss you.
Alright, so we're about to do some home renos. What better way to celebrate the end of semester 2? So I'm in accelerated nursing program. So 2 terms is equivalent of like 7 months. So yeah, pour myself a little more. All right, so we're gonna go mix some grout. I planned for this video to have the grouting done, because remember, we already put up the tile. We put in the new vanity. We took apart the rotten bathroom because it was like a bunch of water damage. My husband has put up new hardy board and finished tiling, but we're just gonna concentrate on the front little bathroom part first. So I'm gonna grout it, and then hopefully we can have the LED mirror up as well as the lights. Now the mirror was gifted to me. This company was great. I'll share more about it later, but let's get to work. Okay, so I chose Snow White. Snow White, it's like a good off-white color. It's not too bright at all. So I'm just gonna pour some. Okay, so it's 2025. There's so many ways to incorporate smart technology in your home renovation products. Like, I love an LED mirror. I have one here. In my second bathroom renovation, I chose a custom 36-inch circular mirror. In use has so many customizable sizes, so many options like Bluetooth, radio, weather, temperature control, anti-fog, so many options to choose from. Use code Lena McKee and you will get 15% off. So I was so surprised to learn that these mirrors are so customizable. There's 30 size options, 11 feature options, Bluetooth, speaker, clocks, Wi-Fi, weather. I mean, you can totally personalize these mirrors. The prices are way below market rate and they're super durable. They've got explosion-proof film, waterproof backing for added protection. The mirror is super clear, super HD. So I'm gonna leave them linked below and I'm gonna get back to the bathroom. There's so much organization I need to continue with. I just ran to Walmart, got a few plastic bins for my daughter because this is gonna be a bathroom for my sons and my daughters, but we've got so much more to do with this renovation. We need to clad the whole back area in this pink marble. Remember, I got it from Facebook Marketplace, 90 cents a piece for genuine pink marble. What a steal. And I also painted the walls. I painted a lime wash by Sherwin-Williams. Anyhow, thanks everyone for watching and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to check out In Use LED mirrors and use code Lena McKee.